To check your transaction history on Koofr, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Koofr website or app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Transaction History or Billing. Click on this option to view your past transactions. Step 4. Review your transactions. You will see a list of all your transactions, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. Take your time to review this information for any details you need. Step 5. Export or download history optional. If you need a physical copy or want to save your transaction history, look for an option to export or download the data. Follow the prompts to save it to your device. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Koofr whenever you need to. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section or contact customer support.